Imagine two people trying to make money in the stock market. One buys a stock in the morning and sells it the same day for quick profit. The other buys a stock and waits 10 years before selling it. Both made money, but they used two completely different strategies. So the big question is, trading versus investing. Which one is better? Before we start, if you don't know how the stock market actually works, I've already made a video explaining it in a very simple way. You can watch that video first, and then come back to this one. Trading versus investing. Many people think they are the same thing, but in reality, they are two very different ways to make money in the stock market. The biggest difference between them is time. Trading focuses on short-term price movements, while investing focuses on long-term growth. Let's understand this with a simple story. Imagine a man named James who owns a small sneaker shop. One day he notices that a nearby shop is selling the same sneakers cheaper. So James has two possible strategies. Strategy 1. Quick resale. Every morning, James buys sneakers from the cheaper shop for $90. Then he sells them in his own shop for $100. He makes a small profit quickly. This is exactly how trading works. In trading, people buy stocks at a lower price and sell them shortly after when the price increases. Sometimes this happens in minutes, hours, or days. Strategy 2. Wait for higher demand. Instead of selling immediately, James buys many sneakers and stores them in his warehouse. After a few months, those sneakers become rare in the market. Now people are willing to pay $120 for them. So James sells them later and makes a bigger profit. That's how investing works. In investing, people buy stocks and hold them for years while the company grows. Simple examples. Let's say you buy a stock for $10. A trader might sell the stock when it reaches $12 the same day. Quick profit. But if the price suddenly falls, the trader can also lose money quickly. That's why trading requires constant monitoring and fast decisions. An investor might buy the same stock for $10 and keep it for 5 or 10 years. If the company grows, the stock price might reach $50 or even $100. Investors may also receive dividends, which are small payments from company profits. Key differences. Here are the main differences. Time. Trading is short-term. Investing is long-term. Analysis. Traders study price charts and patterns. Investors study company fundamentals like revenue, growth, and management. Risk. Trading is usually riskier and more stressful. Investing is generally slower but more stable. So which one should you choose? If you enjoy analyzing charts and reacting quickly to market changes, trading might suit you. But if you prefer long-term wealth building with less stress, investing may be the better path.